Hi there. Do you think you know what it looks like to ladder annuities? Well, by the end of this video, I'm going to make sure you know precisely how to accomplish this before you go signing on the dotted line. I'm Michael Malone, and for the best annuity advice and information, do be sure to subscribe to my channel here, and then also click on that notification bell so you're sure to be notified when I upload other new videos as well. Now, when it comes to laddering annuities, really the first thing you want to know and understand is the guaranteed retirement income that these types of annuity tools can offer for you. That's going to be important as we look at laddering them. So the guaranteed retirement income that comes from annuities is exactly that. It guarantees that you will have retirement income throughout all of your retirement. So I'll just give you a quick example. Let's say you retire at age 60. And you decide to turn on your guaranteed retirement income from the annuity at that time. What the guaranteed retirement income from these annuities means is that from when you retire, in that example at age 60, you are guaranteed that you are going to have retirement income from that annuity until the day you pass away, until the end basically of your retirement plan. And just a quick side note on that as we get into the laddering here, that guaranteed retirement income, depending upon the annuity that you're looking at, may also be set up to continue for your spouse as well. So when I mentioned that, we talked about the guaranteed retirement income being there for you through your entire life, which it would be. But let's say that you pass away before your spouse does. Let's say you pass away 5 years, 10 years before your spouse does. A lot of these annuities with the guaranteed retirement income, the benefit may be set up to continue to your spouse even after you've passed for the next 5-10 years until they pass as well. So again, the guaranteed retirement income can be there for you through your entire life. And in many of these annuities, I just, as a side note, want you to know that guaranteed retirement income may also be able to be there for your spouse as well if they end up living longer than you do. And by the way, if you'd like to have an annuity designed uniquely for you, say around this type of guaranteed retirement income that I'm sharing here, do feel free to click on the link down below to apply to become my client. And when you're done watching this video, I would recommend checking out the other video I've recorded called Annuity Payout Options. And the reason why I would recommend checking out that video is in that video you'll learn more about those options and understand them even better as you look at what we're going to get into, laddering these annuities. And I'll include the link to that video for you in the description down below. Now, the first thing to understand when it comes to laddering annuities is understanding what laddering is. When we're looking at laddering in regards to annuities and this guaranteed retirement income that we're speaking of, we're talking about having multiple annuities in which we are turning on the guaranteed retirement income from those sources at different points in time throughout your retirement. So really what laddering is having multiple annuities in place, so we have the ability to turn on the income from each of those annuities at different times as you move through your retirement. That's what laddering is. Now, with that in mind, let's talk about how we ladder annuities. The first thing that you need to do is you need to invest in multiple annuities. Once you've decided upon exactly which annuity you're comfortable with or which annuities you want to be using, the first thing to do in laddering annuities is to invest in multiple annuities. I'm going to give you an example here. Let's use 3 annuities for this example. Now, once you have, in this example, these 3 annuities open and funded, really what it is you look at your overall retirement picture, is deciding at what age you're going to turn on that guaranteed retirement income for each of these, say, 3 annuities. As an example, and in this example, let's say the first annuity we decide you're starting your retirement at, say, age 60. So we're going to go ahead and turn on that first annuity's guaranteed retirement income at age 60. Now, maybe the second annuity that we've invested in, we've decided that we're going to turn on the guaranteed retirement income at age 63 as you're getting more into your retirement and want a little bit higher income and another source of income coming in for you. So your first annuity, you've turned on the income at age 60. The second one, maybe we've turned on the guaranteed retirement income at age 63. And then the third one, let's just say you're turning on the income, the guaranteed retirement income from that annuity at age 65. Maybe your spouse is younger and your spouse is now, joining you in retirement as you turn 65, and we know from your overall plan that you now need a little bit more income because they're joining you in retirement. So again, what you've done here, you've funded the 3 annuities, you've turned on the first annuity in this example at age 60, you've turned on the second annuity at age 63, and you've turned on the guaranteed retirement income from the third annuity at age 65. Now, one last final note. Why the heck do you ladder annuities? Why do you invest in multiple annuities and turn on the income sources at different times? Why not just turn it all on at the beginning? Really, the benefit to laddering annuities is the longer that you wait to take income from an annuity, typically, it gives that annuity the opportunity to kind of mature a little bit more. It gives it the opportunity for your guaranteed retirement income benefit to grow to a higher level. So when we turned on that guaranteed retirement income on the first annuity at age 60, maybe that was a lower income level for you there. By letting the second annuity continue to have its benefit grow over the next 3 years until you were 63, now we're turning on the annuity from that second annuity at maybe a higher level of income. And again, same with the annuity, the third annuity in that example. When we turned it on and waited until age 65, that annuity had the opportunity to mature even an additional 5 years and typically have a higher guaranteed retirement income benefit for you at age 65. Kind of a simple way to think about this. If you're familiar with Social Security and how when you take Social Security later in life, you typically have a higher monthly income from Social Security because you've waited longer. This is kind of a similar scenario, and really what you're doing in laddering annuities is you're allowing really the second annuity and the third annuity to be turned on for that guaranteed retirement income later in your life, later in your retirement. And that's the benefit really of laddering annuities. And once again, if you'd like to have this strategy of laddering guaranteed retirement income annuities put in place for you, uniquely for your scenario, do feel free to click on the link down below to apply to become my client. And if you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel here, and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, and I hope something good happens to you out there today.